The reason cleaning companies don't grow faster is that business owners spend all their time fighting fires. Let's be honest, the number one challenge of owning a cleaning company is that it's a logistical nightmare. You have remote staff who in many cases work at night when you're asleep, multiple contracts all over the city, high turnover, and a group of clients to keep happy that you actually don't get to see very often. Is this what you're living every day? My name is Michael Brown, and I'm the founder of Swept Software and former Janitorial business owner. And in this video, I'm going to share best practices to help you identify issues quickly before they become customer problems and derail your day. Because that's why your business isn't growing faster. Do you know what separates the very best cleaning companies from the worst? It isn't the quality of the cleaning service. What separates these companies is the ability of the business owner, you, to manage logistics and people. Of course, you need to provide a good cleaning service, but that happens because operations and logistics are working smoothly. If your operations aren't running smoothly, it's likely because you don't have a system to quickly identify issues and manage them. Now, before I talk about that system, I want to highlight three major types of issues that come up in our industry. The first is employee issues. The second is quality issues, and the third is client issues. They actually take place in that order. What I hear every day when talking to business owners is that they're consumed by client and quality issues. And when I ask why things are going wrong, they complain about the challenges with employees. Business owners often invest a lot of time and money in quality and clients, but ignore the employee side. Most companies don't even have a budget for hiring and retaining employees. And this is where things start to spin out of control. Oftentimes, business owners start pointing fingers and blaming the challenges on the industry. I hear them say that we must accept the challenges of this industry and that nobody can change it. Basically, people get defeated. Let's talk about getting beyond that mindset and helping you get in control. Step one is uncovering the issues as fast as possible. Who's the first person in your team who knows if something's gone wrong? For instance, if a cleaner doesn't show up, who knows about that first? If you're running low on supplies, if something's broken, 2 items on the checklist didn't get completed, the door to the boardroom is locked so your employee couldn't clean that room. In every single case, it's your employee who's the first to know. So if you knew all of these things at the same time as your employee, then you'd be better positioned to support them, take quicker action, and not have to wait to uncover the issue during an inspection or from a client complaint. Does that make sense? That's why I built Swept. I realized that I couldn't be everywhere, and it was kind of ripping me apart trying to take care of my clients and the quality issues. It's because I wasn't connected to my employees. With Swept, if an employee doesn't show up, boom, you get an alert. For cleaners, they have checklists to keep them on track. They can request supplies if things get low, and they have instructions in over 100 languages so they know exactly what to do at every contract. And they can leave messages when they check out of a shift to inform you if something went wrong. It blew me away to see how many issues we could solve by simply having one place to connect with everyone and highlight the issue instead of waiting for customers to complain. That's why Swept customers retain their contracts 91% better than the industry average. It isn't because they do a great job cleaning, it's because they're in control, which means they have more time to manage more contracts and keep growing. And if you're using other software, I challenge you to assess if you're really getting the powerful, real-time information you deserve to drive your business forward. You should expect a lot more from your software partner. For more information on what Swept offers, book a demo through the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel to learn more ways to grow your revenue and become a better managed cleaning company.